Who can watch your liked videos on TikTok app? Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can watch your liked videos on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on privacy, which is the second option, and scroll down. Now you have liked videos, click on it, and here who can watch your liked videos. You choose everyone or only me. That means no one can watch your liked videos. Once you click on everyone, that means everyone on TikTok, all the public can watch your liked videos list. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.